Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another stunning Chanel to show you today. So this is another Chanel Deauville tote, and this is in this gorgeous raffia material. It's got a very beachy vibe to it. So we've got double top handles, and they are leather top handles, so really nice smooth calf leather there. And then we've also got longer shoulder straps, so you can see they're tucked into the bag at the minute, so you can pull them through if you prefer just the top handle look, or if you do like a shoulder strap, they just pull through really nice and easily like that on either side, and then you've got a longer shoulder strap too, and it's a really nice pale kind of lilac-y purple colour with that classic Chanel chain strap look. So inside the bag, we've got that press-stud fastened opening, and then we've got a little key strap in there with a little clip on the end too. And then we've got one zipped pocket here. So you can see that still works really nicely. And I just love this bright pink lining as well. Again, super summery, super beachy looking. We've got one big flat pocket there, and we've got another little flat pocket here too. You can see just right down in that bottom corner, we have got the date code for this one. So the date code begins 28, so this is from 2019. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior and the interior very good. You can see that it is just gorgeous. I love these colours as well. This bright pink is just really cool. You can see again, it is all in a beautiful condition, and there's no particular marks or anything like that for me to show you on the exterior or the interior. We've just called it very good because you can tell that it has had a previous life and that it's been used before, so that is why we've called that condition very good. The hardware though, we've called excellent. You can see that the majority of it actually still has its plastic seal on it, so you can see just there, and even these little studs on the end of these chains, they still have their plastic seal on them too. This little zip inside here also has that little plastic seal on it. So that hardware is in an excellent condition. It looks pretty much untouched, so that is why we've called the hardware excellent. It comes with, we've got a generic bag liner to keep that lovely boxy shape structured and in a lovely shape. And then we've got Chanel authenticity card with that date code matching the one inside the bag, and then we've also got a nice big Chanel dust bag too. So if you'd like to know the exact measurements for this bag, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact Deauville tote on our website. So if you are interested in purchasing, if you're interested in a few more specific details, go to that link. But if that link doesn't take you to this bag, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. I'm sure it will sell so quickly because it is a gorgeous tote. But if you do get to that link and it takes you just to our generic product page, don't worry, because you can get on our request list. So if you really love this, just let us know. We'll get you on that request list, and as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through an email with the link to shop, then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list, and that applies to any request you have in mind as well. So whatever it is, just let us know. We'll get you on that request list. But in terms of the size, I said the exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and I think this is a really nice size actually. It's not too big so that it kind of drowns me, but big enough definitely that you can fit in a lot in there. It's really nice and roomy and spacey inside. So that is with those longer shoulder straps on there, or if you wanted to just have it by those top handles too, you've got that option as well, and it just has a really great kind of beachy vibe to it. I'm not wearing the most beachy outfit right now, but I can imagine, especially with a little summer dress on, a little sundress, it would be gorgeous. So if you are interested in it, go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that discount code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page, because we would love to see any beautiful Armcandy that you have in mind to sell. Whatever it is, just have a look on that page, have a read through that process. Don't forget to like this video while you're here as well, and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out on seeing any beautiful arm candy that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.